This is the best friend of the traveling toddler, the Comfort Up car seat. A comfortable insert is fitted for when driving with your little ones. After they grow a bit, you can simply remove the insert. The headrest of the seat is soft and easy to adjust. Simply pull on the screw, turn, and press. Just like that. Easy, isn't it? You can also adjust the height of the belts. Unfasten the buckles. Now pull the belts out at the front, move them higher, and fasten them at the new level. Oops, stain alert. Well, just take off the cover, unfasten, pull out the buckles, remove, and you can wash it in the washing machine. Fitting it into the car is easy. Put the seat in and fasten it with the belts. Drag here, slide through here, drag again, and fasten. All done. Now for your little passenger. Put the toddler in the seat. Put the belts on. Tighten, buckle up, and done. Everything is ready. We can go and see the world.